The internet's current summer snack obsession has officially arrived, and it's colorful, sweet, and incredibly easy to make at home. People are actually paying $20 a jar online for these viral Kool-Aid pineapples. Today, we're going to make them at home for less than $3. This recipe is taking over the internet, and all you need are 3 basic ingredients: a large jar of pineapple spears, your favorite unsweetened Kool-Aid packets, and sugar. Lots and lots of sugar. This trend is a creative spin-off of the classic Southern Kool-Aid pickles, often called tropicals, swapping out savory cucumbers for naturally sweet, juicy pineapple fruit. Traditionally, tropicals are standard dill pickles that have been soaked in fruit punch instead of traditional pickle juice. Step 1. Crack open that pineapple jar. We're going to pour all that sweet juice right out into a separate container. But don't throw it away, this is our flavor base. Step 2. Now pour 1 packet of unsweetened Kool-Aid into the juice, along with 1/4 to half a cup of sugar. Step 3. Mix it up in a separate container so you don't get any grainy, undissolved sugar clumps at the bottom of your jar. Step 4. Once it's smooth, pour that glorious neon liquid right back over your pineapple spears. Make sure every single piece of fruit is fully submerged by filling it up to the top. Step 5. Seal the lid tight and pop it in the fridge. For that deep candy color and intense sour punch, let it marinate for 24 to 48 hours. Step 6. Pop open that jar. Check out that vibrant color. An incredibly sweet, perfect summer treat. Now on to the ratings. Tropical Punch was my favorite, but here are the reviews from the forums. Tropical Punch sits firmly at the top of the internet rankings as the absolute best pairing for pineapple spears. Its nostalgic berry, cherry, and orange flavor notes blend seamlessly with the pineapple's natural tropical profile, creating a treat that tastes exactly like a gourmet high-end gummy candy. Strawberry Kiwi captures the second spot by offering a bright, refreshing, and incredibly well-balanced flavor profile. The sweet, smooth strawberry notes perfectly round out the pineapple's sharp edge, making this combination the ultimate crowd pleaser for people who want a sweet treat without an overwhelming sour punch. Cherry lands in the upper tier for creators who love a bold, intensely tart kick. It transforms the pineapple into a deeply red, pucker-worthy snack that heavily mimics a sour cherry pull-apart candy, though it definitely requires a generous helping of extra sugar to tame the bite. Watermelon sits at the middle of the pack, delivering major summertime Jolly Rancher vibes that some taste testers absolutely adore. However, because watermelon is a naturally milder flavor, the aggressive natural acidity of the pineapple can occasionally drown out the mellow notes entirely. Lemon Lime is an absolute citrus explosion that tastes exactly like a sour neon lemon drop. While it is incredibly refreshing when served ice cold, the extreme combination of lime citric acid and pineapple enzymes can be a bit too intensely acidic for most people to enjoy more than one spear. Blue Raspberry is easily the most popular choice on TikTok for its jaw-dropping, vibrant aqua color, but it consistently ranks near the bottom for actual taste. The artificial metallic berry notes completely clash with the fresh tropical fruit, leaving reviewers with a confusing and mismatched aftertaste. Grape has been voted the absolute worst flavor combination and should be avoided at all costs. The overpowering artificial grape profile completely ruins the fresh pineapple, turning the snack into an unappetizing, money purple spear that tastes exactly like sugary cough syrup. Yuck. Drop a comment below and tell me which flavor you're making first. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos from Show and Tell.